When you create on YouTube, your passion and creativity can find a home in a community who gets you. From 15-second shorts to 15-minute videos to hours-long podcasts or live streams, YouTube offers the most formats in one place, so you can express yourself in a way that's most authentic to you and your viewers. To start a channel, sign into YouTube from a computer or phone using a Google account. Then try any action that requires a channel, like uploading a video or short. If you don't already have a channel, you'll be prompted to make one. If you already have a channel and want to make a new one, you can from a computer by clicking your profile picture, then settings, then add or manage your channels, then create a channel. You can set the initial branding for your channel with your profile picture, channel name, and handle. If you want to customize your channel even more, tap your profile picture to view your channel from a computer or phone, then click Customize Channel or tap the pencil icon. You can add or update your profile picture and channel banner and add a channel description. Once you start creating more content, you can also add a channel trailer and sections to the layout of your channel homepage to customize how you want your channel to show to viewers, or links to websites or your other social handles. Once your channel is created, you can start uploading right away. YouTube gives you the flexibility to start filming, sharing, and finding your fandoms depending on the way you like to create. From your phone, tap the plus icon to create or upload a video or short, or click Create from a computer. You'll need a few subscribers before you can go live, but once you're there, YouTube lets you stream and connect to viewers in a whole new way. YouTube also offers more ways to make money easily from your content, channel, and community than anywhere else. Once your channel grows, you can even join the YouTube Partner Program, which rewards hard-working creators with features that let you earn money, support through YouTube's partner teams, and access to rewards and special events. Your passion gets you started, but your hard work and community keep you going. If you want to learn even more, check out the YouTube Creators channel to start your YouTube journey today. We can't wait to see what you create.